Top anti-inflammatory foods you should eat and foods you should avoid. If you have ever cut your finger, bruised a toe, or had a throat infection, you have likely experienced at least one of the 4 signs of inflammation, such as redness, swelling, pain, and heat. Acute inflammation is your body's natural response to illness, injury, or infection, and usually resolves on its own. Studies suggest that some food can help decrease chronic inflammation. Inflammation can be both good and bad. On the one hand, it helps your body defend itself from infection and injury. On the other hand, chronic inflammation can lead to disease. Stress, low activity levels, and foods that can cause inflammation make this risk even more significant. For this reason, eating foods that help reduce inflammation is strongly advisable. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants are considered helpful in fighting inflammation. What are the best anti-inflammatory foods? Foods like fruits, vegetables, and spices contain anti-inflammatory compounds and may help reduce inflammation. The most anti-inflammatory foods includes 1. Berries. Berries are small fruits packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dozens of varieties exist. Some of the most common ones include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce your disease risk. A 2018 review of research suggests that phytochemicals found in berries may help delay cancer development and progression. Though more research is needed, they may benefit immunotherapy. Your body naturally produces NK cells, and they help keep your immune system functioning correctly. In another study, adults with excess weight who ate strawberries had lower levels of specific inflammatory markers associated with heart disease than those who did not. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of protein and the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. Although all types of fish contain some omega-3 fatty acids, these fatty fish are among the best sources. Salmon, sardines, herring, mackerel, anchovies. EPA and DHA help reduce inflammation, which may otherwise lead to health conditions that may include metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, kidney disease. Your body metabolizes these fatty acids into compounds called resolvins and protectins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have found that people consuming salmon or EPA and DHA supplements experience reductions in the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein, CRP. However, in one study, people with an irregular heartbeat who took EPA and DHA daily experienced no difference in inflammatory markers compared with those who received a placebo. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is highly nutritious. It is a cruciferous vegetable. Along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale, research has shown that eating many cruciferous vegetables is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer. This may be related to the anti-inflammatory effects of the antioxidants they contain. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that decreases inflammation by reducing your levels of cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB, which are molecules that drive inflammation in your body. 4. Avocados. Avocados contain potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain carotenoids and tocopherols, which are linked to reduce risk of cancer and heart disease. In addition, one compound in avocados may reduce inflammation in newly forming skin cells. In one high-quality study including 51 adults with excess weight, those who ate avocados for 12 weeks had a reduction in inflammation markers interleukin-1 beta, IL-1B, and CRP. 5. Green tea. You have probably heard that green tea, such as matcha green tea, is one of the healthiest beverages. Research has found that drinking green tea is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and other conditions. Many of the benefits are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, especially a substance called epigallocatechin-3 gallate, EGCG. EGCG inhibits inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory catechin production and damage to the fatty acids in your cells. 6. Peppers. Bell and chili peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Bell peppers also provide the antioxidant quercetin, which may reduce inflammation associated with chronic disease like diabetes. Chili peppers contain synaptic acid and ferulic acid, which may reduce inflammation and support healthier aging. 7. Mushrooms. While thousands of varieties of mushrooms exist worldwide, only a few are edible and grown commercially. These include truffles, portobello mushrooms, mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms. Mushrooms are very low in calories and rich in selenium, copper, and all of the B vitamins. They also contain phenols and other antioxidants that provide anti-inflammatory protection. 8. Grapes. Grapes contain anthocyanins which reduce inflammation. In addition, they may decrease the risk of several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye disorders. Grapes are also one of the best sources of resveratrol, another antioxidant compound with many health benefits. Studies show that the resveratrol can protect the heart against inflammation. While taking a resveratrol supplement is not the same as eating grapes, in one study including 60 people with heart failure, those who consumed about 2 50mg capsules of resveratrol supplement daily for 3 months experienced a decrease in inflammatory gene markers, including interleukin-6, IL-6. An older study from 2012 found that adults who ate grape extract daily experienced increased adiponectin levels. Lower levels of this hormone are associated with weight gain and an increased risk of cancer. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a warm, earthy flavor, often used in curries and other Indian dishes. It has received a lot of attention because it contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Research has shown that turmeric reduces inflammation related to arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome consumed 1 gram of curcumin daily, combined with pepperine from black pepper. They experienced a significant decrease in the inflammatory marker CRP. It may be hard to get enough curcumin from turmeric alone to experience a noticeable effect. Taking supplements containing isolated curcumin may be much more effective. Curcumin supplements often include piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption by 2000%. More research is needed to understand how the dosage of turmeric affects inflammatory markers. 10. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which provides numerous health benefits. Studies suggest that extra olive oil may reduce the risk of heart disease, brain cancer, obesity, and other serious health conditions. Research suggests that following a Mediterranean diet and supplementing with extra virgin olive oil can significantly decrease inflammatory markers. The effect of oleocanthor, an antioxidant found in olive oil, has been compared with anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Remember that extra virgin olive oil has greater anti-inflammatory benefits than refined olive oils. 11. Dark chocolate and cocoa. Dark chocolate is delicious, rich, and satisfying. It's also packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. These may reduce your disease risk and lead to healthier aging. Flavonoids are responsible for chocolate anti-inflammatory effects and help keep the endothelial cells that line your arteries healthy. One small study of participants who consumed 852mg of cocoa flavonoids twice daily or a placebo suggests that cocoa flavonoids can improve vascular function and decrease blood pressure and artery stiffness within the first 3 to 8 hours after ingestion. However, more high-quality studies on chocolate and its components are needed. In the meantime, it can't hurt to choose dark chocolate that contain at least 70% cocoa. A greater percentage is even better to reap these anti-inflammatory benefits. 12. Tomatoes. Tomato is a nutritional powerhouse. Tomatoes are high in vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, an antioxidant with impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene may be particularly beneficial for reducing pro-anti-inflammatory compounds related to several types of cancer. Cooking tomatoes in olive oil can help you absorb more of their lycopene content. That's because lycopene is a carotenoid, a nutrient better absorbed with a source of fat. 13. Cherries. Cherries are delicious and rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and catechins, which decrease inflammation. Although the health-promoting properties of tart cherry have been studied more than other varieties, sweet cherries may also provide benefits. One 2019 study, including 39 older adults, found that those who consume 16 ounces, 480 ml of tart cherry juice daily for 12 weeks experienced significant lower levels of inflammatory markers CRP. However, another study found that tart cherry juice had no effect on inflammation in healthy younger adults after they took it daily for 30 days. More research is needed to understand how cherries might help reduce inflammation. Foods that cause inflammation. What causes inflammation? It can result from exposure to environmental toxins, lingering virus, aging, or chronic stress. But what you eat contributes too. What foods cause inflammation? Unfortunately, a lot of them. In particular, experts recommend avoiding these inflammatory foods. For example, a higher intake of some fast food, frozen microwavable snack items, and processed meat products may be associated with higher blood levels of inflammatory markers like CRP. Foods like sugar-sweetened beverages and refined carbs may promote inflammation. Examples of food that have been be linked to increased levels of inflammation include processed foods, potato chips and fast food, refined carbs, white bread, white rice, crackers and biscuits, fried foods, fries, fried chicken and mozzarella sticks, sugar-sweetened beverages, soda, sweet tea and sports drinks, processed meats, bacon, ham and hot dogs. Keep in mind that it's okay to eat these foods occasionally. Just try to ensure that you follow a well-balanced diet that's based on whole foods, including lots of fruits and vegetables. It's best to stick to foods that are minimally processed. Conclusion: even low levels of inflammation on a chronic basis can lead to disease. Do your best to keep inflammation in check by choosing a wide variety of delicious antioxidant-rich foods. Eating foods that are also close to their original form and choosing a variety of brightly colored foods can provide more anti-inflammatory nutrients. Peppers, dark chocolates, fish, and extra virgin olive oil are just a few foods that can help you lower inflammation and reduce the risk of illness. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you like this video and you would like to see more contents like this, kindly like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, and also please subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed yet. Thanks for watching to the end. Have a nice day and look out for the next video.